This is Sarah's Toy Reviews. Today we're going to be doing, I'm going to be showing you what this is. Putty. You can get this at the toy, the movie theater at the, when you win the tickets for the little games. This is there. As you can see, I'm holding it right here. It's very squishy. It's like it's putty. Very squishy and stretchy. Yeah, if you can see here, I have two different colors. Pink, and I'll be right back, and I'm going to get the other color. And we have this blue. You can see the package has a happy face on it. And this is the blue. They're both really squishy. The blue is kind of a little bit gray, as you can see, but what's blue? And let me bring you to here, and then these are gonna glow in the dark. If you can see, these are glowing in the dark. And so yeah, it does glow in the dark. And colors are very cool. And I'm saying that they are cool. I'm going to see if they bounce. Sort of, yeah. Okay, yeah, they do really bounce. And they go everywhere. And they're stretchy, alright. Well, this one we got a little bit, only has a little bit, doesn't stretch too much. But this one, oh man, yeah. But you can also make it into a brick. Just keep stretching it. You don't have to worry about that one. Just keep stretching it. So, hope you like my video. Subscribe, and please subscribe in the comments down below. Thank you for watching.